Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to send money to Google Pay from FamPay. So it's pretty easy and a straightforward process. All you have to do is you can do this by using the UPI ID. So simply what you have to do is open up FamPay and then log into your FamPay account. So I have not registered mine yet, but you just have to log into yours if you have one. And then once you've logged into your account, you're going to hit on Pay UPI ID. Simply select from your home page, select Pay UPI ID. And if you need to know the UPI ID of your Google Pay, so simply open up your Google Pay account. So go to your Google Pay account and then on your profile, hit on your top right your profile, and you will see your UPI ID mentioned here. So that's your UPI ID. You can just copy that. And then once you get back to your FamPay, you can just paste that UPI ID and hit on next, and then type in the amount that you wish to send, and then just complete the transaction. So it's a pretty easy process. Hope this information was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.